We are ready to go. Chocolate cake is done. Hey guys, it's Lilybakes here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a week in the life in half term. So I actually forgot to film yesterday, which was Monday. I went and saw Rosie and Emma, but today I'm going to be going on a walk and then I've got some filming to do. Then I'm going to be going out for dinner with some of my friends, Katie, Tegan, Lexi and Brooke. And I've got lots planned for the rest of the week, so make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to see what I get up to, as I have a lot going on this week. But before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. Off we go. We are actually not going to go for that long today. I think like half an hour, because we have to get back to do stuff before we then go out. So we're going for an early dinner. I don't think Lex is going to come anymore, but just the four of us are going to go. But I'm walking on the main road and I hate walking on the main road because everyone can just look. And everyone's like staring at me from the cars, I can just see them. We are back and we made it in time. And I'm going to go get in the shower and get myself ready to film. I'm showered and I've washed my hair and I've blow dried it. It feels really smooth because I put this hair oil on that I got for Easter and this leave-in conditioner. All I need to do with my makeup is my mascara and then I'm done. Then I need to start. I've got it's 2:42 and we want to be leaving at 4:45, so that's 2 hours. I'm just going to finish getting ready and then I will be back with you as I'm going to start baking. So right now I'm doing some strawberry bark with leftover Easter eggs. So I've just Brooke's leftover Easter eggs. She's not very happy. So I've just sliced up all the strawberries and then I'm going to place them onto here and then melt the chocolate all over it. So I'm going to do that now. This is also my outfit, by the way. I just went with a pink top from Zara and these jeans from Zara. Now I'm making the cheesecake stuffed strawberries. So I'm just making the cheesecake mixture now. The strawberry chocolate bark is in the freezer, so I'll show you that once it is done. My hair looks a mess, but I'm changed now. I'm ready to go. This is what the strawberry bark looks like. We are on our way and we are a little bit late, but only like 5 minutes, so it's not too bad. And we're going to meet Katie and Tegan for some dinner and then we're going to come home and I need to finish off the cheesecake stuffed strawberries because the cheesecake filling didn't set in time to really liquidy, so I couldn't stuff strawberries, but I'll do that when I get home. So I'll see you when we're there with the girls. We're here and I'm going to get sesame chicken. This was our edamame and chicken, guys, and then me eating some type of food. I can't remember what it was. It wasn't that my food. Here's Cade, Brooke and Tegan. We've all got our food. We're taking a trip to Tesco's to pick up some bits. I picked up Lex as well, but they're somewhere else. I need to find them. I'm home now and I'm very tired tonight. So I'm going to go and sleep. I've got a very exciting day tomorrow, so I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Today, me, Rosie and Brooke are going to a spa. Having a spa day, so I'm very excited for that. But before I would do that, I've got about 2 hours before I'm leaving and I have to do some more baking before I go. I'm going to pick Rosie up and we're going to drive to the spa. Very excited. It's going to be a very good day, so stay tuned to see what we get up to. It is time to bake, so I need to make a chocolate cake for tomorrow, so I'm going to get that baked now and then finish the rest off when I get back from the spa day later, which will actually be a lot later because we've got a lot planned for the day. Nan sent us a whole itinerary because she got it for us for Christmas as our Christmas present. Chocolate cake is done. Well, it's not done, it's made. The batter is made, so now I need to put it into the tins and then bake it. But I'm going to be gone by the time it's done because I'm literally leaving in half an hour. I haven't even packed my bag and I have a whole list of things I need to pack. We are now in the car with Rosie and we're going. We went to get some tea have an hour till afternoon tea, so we're going to come into the relaxing area. Working out what we're doing, our plan. This is what it looks like. Just getting myself a tea, even though I don't like tea.
I told her to try the cranberry and raspberry.
Got my tea. Gonna try it. It's hot. I don't know how much I like that.
Let me try a little bit.
Right, you try some then.
It is a little bit plain. I thought it would be better than that.
We're going for our afternoon tea. Let's go. This is our setup for our afternoon tea. Oh my god, I've got hiccups. Afternoon tea. This is our menu. I've got a hot chocolate and Brooke's got an English breakfast and Rosie's got a matcha tea. But this hot chocolate is really nice. It's really nice temperature as well.
Chai, not matcha.
Sorry, chai tea. Our afternoon tea is here. All our sandwiches here, and all the desserts and stuff, and all the scones. Rosie's got a separate one because this one's got kiwi. Allergic to kiwi. We're eating our scones. Oh my god. These scones are really nice. I'm trying a bit of this. That is what it looks like. I think it's a mousse maybe. We are ready to go. Just been in the sauna and steam. It's quite nice. It's quite hot in there though. Outfit of the day. It's really nice. We was in the relaxation bit, but I decided I want to go to the gym for like half an hour before my facial. So I've got changed. I'm gonna go for a bit. I'm going on my own as well, so that's fun. All done in the gym. I went on the Stairmaster, which I've never actually been on before, which is actually quite good, but very hard work. But I'm gonna go get in the sauna and steam again before I have my facial. Rosie's got her facial at the minute and Brooke's got hers after me. I'm going for my facial and I just need to fill out this form before I go. Rosie's in there now. She's probably fallen asleep. This is the room. Having my facial now. I'll see you guys in a bit. My facial is done. It was very nice. I had a scalp massage as well. And my hair is all oily, so I'm going to wash it. Brooks is in her facial now. Rosie's with me. We're going to wash our hair. We are all done. I'm walking now to go to the car to wait for the girls. But yeah, I'm ready now, so just walking to go get the car. But it's been so lovely. That facial was so relaxing. We just got home and I've already had to get some more makeup back on and carry on filming because I've still got stuff to film tonight. It's literally 7:20. These were some cheesecake bites that I made and they were absolutely amazing. It is 12 o'clock. I've just finished baking and just got into my pyjamas and take off my makeup and go to sleep because I'm very tired. Right guys, I'm up and this morning we have to take around the cake to our friend's house. The cake that I made last night. I thought I would show you it just whilst I'm taking some photos of it. I'm very pleased with it. It looks really good and it's really tall as well. It's got Oreo crumbs inside, no, Oreo buttercream inside and then chocolate on the outside. So this is what it looks like. It is Fenton's 18th birthday. It's got lots of chocolate on the top, some chocolate shavings down there and some lint balls and then obviously some glitter. Me and Bubbles are just on Mum and Dad's bed to say hi. 2 chocolate cakes going in the oven now. Made lunch, got a prawn stir fry. Guys, I am so excited. I'm going back to talk training today because our team folded like last year, middle of the season I think. But we are starting off again. I'm so excited. So today is my first training session back and I'm going to pick up my friends before and then we're going to go. And yeah, I'm so excited. Got my kit on for the first time in ages. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye! I'm back and I had so much fun. It was so good to be back. But tonight, I'm actually going to see my friends. Right, we're in the car, we've been for a drive, got Brooke, Alex, Liv and Mia. Hello! Just been to Tesco's, got some bits. Orange juice. Symbols. What did I get? Hello! Nuts. I got apple tango. that is the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye.